Hello, in this video, we will evaluate the integral of 1 over square root 3x plus 4 minus square root 3x plus 1 dx. And we will simplify and we will approach this problem in 3 simple steps. Number 1, as we can see that we have square roots in the denominator and the numerator is constant. So we will rationalize the denominator and try to simplify this expression. The whole point is to get rid of the square roots in the denominator. Second, we'll simplify the expression further and see what happens. And lastly, we will apply the integral formula for ax plus b whole raised to the power n dx, which is 1 over ax plus b whole raised to the power n plus 1 divided by n plus 1 plus c. Okay, let's get started. Number 1, whenever you have something of the form 1 over a minus b and you are rationalizing, you multiply by a plus b in the numerator and denominator. So the expression becomes a plus b divided by a square minus b square. So here, a is square root 3x plus 4 and b is square root 3x plus 1. Applying this expression will become square root 3x plus 4 plus square root 3x plus 1 and square root 3x plus 4 square minus square root 3x plus 1 square. Further simplifying this, we'll reduce the integral in the form square root 3x plus 4 plus square root 3x plus 1 dx divided by square and square root cancels out. And the denominator is 3x plus 4 minus 3x minus 1. So we can cancel out 3x and 4 minus 1 gives us 3. So the integral changes to square root 3x plus 4 plus square root 3x plus 1 divided by 3 dx. Now, which can be written as 1 over 3. And we know that square root means power 1 over 2. That means we can write the first expression as 3x plus 4 raised to the power 1 over 2 dx plus 1 over 3 times 3x plus 1 raised to the power 1 over 2 dx. And as discussed, we can use this formula now that integral of ax plus b whole raised to the power n dx is 1 over a times ax plus b whole raised to the power n plus 1 divided by n plus 1. Applying that formula, we will get 1 over 3 times 1 over a, and a here is 3, so 1 over 3 times 3x plus 4 raised to the power half plus 1, which is 3 over 2 divided by 3 over 2 plus 1 by 3 times 1 over a. Here as well, a is 3, so 1 over 3 times 3x plus 1 and power half plus 1, which is 3 over 2 divided by 3 over 2 plus c. So we can simplify this further. We have 2 over 27, 3x plus 4 raised to the power 3 over 2 plus 2 over 27, 3x plus 1 to the power 3 over 2 plus c. I hope you like this video. Please share it with your friends and subscribe my channel. Thank you.